Hi, welcome back to step 3 of the pitching masterclass. So you've now got your 5 brands, you've wandered around your house, you've found who you want to pitch to, you've also gone onto social media or their website and you've found the name of the person that you need to deal with and also their email address. And now what I'd like you to do today, before we get stuck into the actual pitch, is I'd like you to go onto social media and interact with the brand. So ideally this would be over a longer period. So obviously this is a 5-step challenge, so it's a bit condensed. In an ideal world you could interact a couple of weeks before you actually then pitch the brand. So bear that in mind and play it by ear and see how you go. But what I'd like you to do is go onto their social media accounts, interact with them, actually answer their questions, maybe retweet some of their content, share it on different profiles of yours. Do not just on Twitter but on other platforms. Just interact and start to get known by that brand, and that will stand you in so much better stead when you do come to make that pitch. And you can do this with brands that you want to work with in the future as well. So just go in, start having a bit of a chat, answer them. You don't want to be a stalker, but really start to develop that interaction and get that interaction going, and that will stand you in such better stead when you do make your pitch. So that's it, that's the challenge for today. Interact with your 5 brands, share their content, answer their questions, join in with the chat on their profiles on their different networks, and just have a bit of fun with it. I'll see you in the next video.